Today I will share with you top 5 best car roof mount monitors of 2024. So, let's start.
Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 5.
(13.3-inch/15.6-inch 1080p ceiling monitor touchscreen, high-definition 1920 by 1080 roof-mounted monitor with an IPS touchscreen and Android 12, offering multimedia capabilities and mirror link function, plus remote control for ease of use. The advantages of this car roof mount monitor are high-quality IPS touchscreen, Android 12 compatibility with multimedia features, mirror link, and remote control for convenience. The disadvantages of this car roof mount monitor are, may require professional installation.
At number 4.
Ultrathin 8K Android Roof Monitor. This ultrathin, high-resolution 19 flip-down monitor supports 8K video, Android OS, MP5, and HDMI, making it a versatile entertainment addition to any car. The advantages of this car roof mount monitor are 8K Ultra HD resolution for superior image quality, Android OS for added functionality, HDMI input for expanded media options. The disadvantages of this car roof mount monitor are potentially high power consumption.
At number 3.
(15.6-foot car roof monitor FHD multimedia screen, 15.6-inch full HD roof-mounted screen with USB and MP5 player for in-car multimedia, featuring FM radio and a sleek flip-down design. The advantages of this car roof mount monitor are full HD resolution for clear display, USB and FM connectivity, space-saving flip-down design. The disadvantages of this car roof mount monitor are limited audio output options.
At number 2.
(12.1-inch HD ultra-thin mounted car monitor). This 12.1-inch ultra-thin HD IPS car monitor delivers a wide viewing angle, HDMI, USB, and SD support, with multiple language options. The advantages of this car roof mount monitor are ultra-thin design, conserving headspace, multiple language options for versatility, HDMI and USB for multimedia input. The disadvantages of this car roof mount monitor are smaller screen size may limit viewing enjoyment.
At number 1.
(19-inch 1080p IPS car roof mount monitor). A 19-inch 1920x 1080p roof-mounted monitor with IPS screen, HDMI, and FM radio for HD car entertainment, designed for a seamless overhead viewing experience. The advantages of this car roof mount monitor are large 19-inch screen for enhanced viewing, IPS screen with high-definition clarity, HDMI and USB support for versatile media input. The disadvantages of this car roof mount monitor are could obstruct rear view mirror visibility,